Congratulations to the students who finished all right hand duet, theme and variation. Now it's time to practice left hand. So here it says left hand on the bottom. Make sure to use left hand from now on. I put reminder on the bottom of the music, each variation, but LH stands for left hand. It says G, it's a G above middle C. Middle C is right here, G above middle C, right here. And fingering number says 3. So you're going to put the third finger on G. And the next note is B, and then B is going to be the first finger. And next note is A and B. A little reminder. 1 circle. It's 4 count. And the variation 1 has this. And that's 2 count. You might have noticed this is stem is going up, and this is stem is going down. Those mean same, but if the note is, for example, it's if 5 lines, and note the very center is right here, B. If the note is in the middle, the stem goes down and up. The 2 options on the middle. Anything higher than B is the stem is going down, and anything lower than B, stem goes up. So if you're composing some melody, make sure to do that. Stem is going up for lower notes. Higher note, stem goes down. I am going to put metronome on 80. Make sure to count 4 count right here. I'm sure it's very easy. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the variation 1. It's 2 counts each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,